who was appointed as the chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission by the Union Cabinet in Wednesday? Answer is 1. Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai. Prime Minister inaugurated the new building of which state legislative assembly on 1st November? Answer is 1. Chhattisgarh. Which Indian city has been added to the UNESCO Creative Cities in the category of gastronomy at the 43rd session of its General Conference in Samarkand? Answer is 3. Lucknow. The Kendriya Grihmantri Dakshata Padak has been awarded to how many personnel for the year 2025 by the Ministry of Home Affairs? Answer is 2. 1466 personnel. The Ministry of Home Affairs awarded the Kendriya Grihmantri Dakshata Padak for the year 2025 in the field of. Answer is 5. All of the above. Special Operation Investigation Forensic Science Intelligence. National Unity Day is observed every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of which prominent figure in Indian history? Answer is 1. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What is the theme for National Unity Day 2025 observed annually on 31st October? Answer is 4. Unity in Diversity, Harmony and Nation-Building Spirit. Which of the following delivered the 2025 Sardar Patel Memorial Lecture in New Delhi on 29 October? Answer is 2. Mansukh Mandavia. Which prominent figure delivered the first Sardar Patel Memorial Lecture in 1955? Answer is 1. C. Rajagopalachari. At which place in Gujarat did the Chief Minister inaugurate Bharat Parv, a 15-day cultural convergence celebrating India's diversity? Answer is 2. Ekta Nagar. To show India's growth in native breeds, BSF contingent will be on display with which indigenous squad at the Ekta Divas parade? Answer is 2. Indigenous Canine Squad. Which prestigious team of the Indian Air Force performed air show to display the valor and courage of the tricolor at the 2025 Ekta Divas parade? Answer is 1. Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team. Which state police has launched Cyber Jago to spread awareness on online safety and safe online use among school children? Answer is 3. Punjab Police's Cybercrime Division. Second phase of special intensive revision of electoral rolls will cover how many voters in 12 state and union territories? Answer is 151 crore voters. Who headed the Judicial Commission set up by the Union Home Ministry to probe the September 24 violence in Leh town of Ladakh? Answer is 3. Dr. B.S. Chauhan. Who was appointed by the President of India to serve as the 53rd Chief Justice of India on 29 October with effect from 24 November? Answer is 1. Justice Surya Kant. Which former cricketer and senior Congress leader was sworn in as minister in the Telangana State Cabinet on 31st October? Answer is 2. Mohammad Azharuddin. Puducherry Liberation Day is observed annually on which date to celebrate its liberation from nearly 300 years of French rule in 1954? Answer is 3. 1st November. When did National Capital Delhi celebrates its 70th Foundation Day commemorating the transformative moment when Delhi was reconstituted as an union territory in 1956? Answer is 2. 1st November. Which event is celebrated by Karnataka on 1st November to commemorate the unification of all Kannada-speaking regions into a single state in 1956? Answer is 2. 70th Kannada Rajyotsava. According to the Ministry of Railways, how many special trains operate across the country from 1st October to 30th November to ensure safe travel during the festive season of Diwali and Chhath Puja? Answer is 2. 12,075 trains. The 2025 Vigilance Awareness Week is observed between which dates? Answer is to 27 October to 2nd November. What is the theme for 2025 Vigilance Awareness Week? Answer is 1. Vigilance, our shared responsibility. In which fighter jet did President Draupadi Murmu take a sortie from Ambala Air Force Base in Haryana on October 29? Answer is 2. Dassault Rafale. What is the name of special trading session launched by NSE and BSE to mark the festival of Diwali? Answer is 3. Muhurat trading session. Which weather modification technique will be used by Delhi to conduct its first artificial rain between 28 and 30 October to curb air pollution? Answer is 1. Cloud seeding. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan approved how many crore for a procurement plant in Telangana, Odisha, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh for the 2025 to 26 Kharif season? Answer is 2. 15,000 crore rupees. What is the tentative budget approved for the 2025 to 26 Rabi season? Answer is 2. 37,952.29 crore rupees. Which state-of-the-art laboratory has been installed in the district SNM Hospital of Leh under the National Health Mission? Answer is 3. Catheterization Lab. Which traditional biannual event has been restored in Jammu and Kashmir after a gap of 4 years? Answer is 1. Darbar Move. Which cultural festival is organized by the Embassy of India in Riyadh to showcase India's diverse heritage from 28 October to 3 November? Answer is 3. Pravasi Parichai. Which country was selected as the host of the 2025 Asian Youth Games? Answer is 2. Bahrain. Which Indian swimmer set a new national record in 400 meters freestyle at the 2025 Asian Youth Games in Bahrain? Answer is 3. Dhinidi Desinghu. Which Indian wrestler won gold at the Under-23 World Wrestling Championships in men's freestyle 65 kg category on 27 October? Answer is 1. Sujit Kalkal. What is the name of the former Indian hockey goalkeeper and bronze medalist at the 1972 Munich Olympics who passed away at the age of 78 on 31st October? Answer is 1. Manuel Frederick. India and which country held the first joint working group meeting on agriculture in New Delhi on 30 October? Answer is 3. Sri Lanka. Which Indian embassy launched a passport system that will issue e-passports with embedded chips from 28 October? Answer is 2. Embassy of India in Abu Dhabi. Ministry of Cooperation and National E-Governance Division is set to launch India's first ever cooperative cab service known as? Answer is 3. Bharat Taxi. Who was sworn in as the 6th President of Seychelles on 26 October? Answer is 2. Dr. Patrick Herminy. Which Indian official visited Seychelles to attend the swearing-in ceremony of the newly elected president? Answer is 1. VP Dr. Radhakrishnan. India and China agreed to continue which mechanism to maintain border stability in the 23rd round of India-China Corps Commander level meeting? Answer is 2. Dialogue mechanisms. Which expedition was launched by China on 1st November to conduct its first ever scientific drilling in subglacial lake? Answer is 1. 42nd Antarctic Expedition. Which summit has adopted the Kuala Lumpur Declaration on Peace and Stability to promote strategic trust, regional and international affairs? Answer is 3. 20th East Asia Summit. Which global companies join hands to launch world's largest robotaxi network by 2027? Answer is 1. Uber and Nvidia. Who is elected as the 80 sessions President of the United Nations General Assembly and also become the 5th woman to lead the General Assembly? Answer is 2. Annalena Baerbock. What is the name of Russia's new atomic-powered and nuclear-capable drone which was declared impossible to intercept? Answer is 2. Poseidon. The United States has granted India a 6-month exemption from sanction on which Iran's port? Answer is 3. Chabahar Port. What is the estimated value of the trade and investment deal signed by the US and South Korea on 29 October? Answer is 3. $350 billion. The US government has been shut down for how many days on October 27? Answer is 2. 27 days. US President Donald Trump instructed US military leaders to resume testing of which US weapons to keep pace with countries like Russia and China? Answer is 2. Nuclear weapons. When did the US military conduct its last nuclear test? Answer is 1. September 1992.